Happy Wednesday. Debbie Holloway here. Wanted to talk today about something that I think is really important for all of us, actually, because I do believe in life we should be assessing where we are at all times. And we've just finished a quarter. So for many of us, hey, we just finished a quarter's worth of business. I would do this every quarter. It's called the life wheel. So let me share with you how this works. On the life wheel, we have these. We have family. Let me turn this so I can make sure you can see. We have family, career, health, spirituality, fun, money, contribution. Now think about this. Every quarter, if you sat down and you said, I'm going to rate myself on how I'm doing, this is my life. This is my life wheel. My life wheel. That's what this is. So I'm going to rate myself. How good was I this quarter in my career? And what I've learned as a coach is that people will fill in a whole lot of the career. Not very much family, not much contribution, a little bit more on money, a little on fun, spirituality, and then health. What I want you to do is I want you to create this wheel for yourself. Again, let me tell you what they are if you can't see this. Family, career, health, spirituality, fun, money, contribution. Then I want you to fill in how well you did in that category. Fill it in. Because what happens is as you fill these in, and we see how we've done and what we've worked on and what we didn't work on, what we paid attention to and what we neglected, what happens is you look at this and a good coach is going to say to you, once you've rated yourself on let's just say this was a wheel and you were going to put this wheel on your car, how far would you go with a wheel that is this out of balance? What I know is that most people are spending their time on their business and everything else falls away. And if we don't have balance in our life, we don't have life. We are frustrated. We say things we probably wish we hadn't to people. We're depressed. Guys and gals, look at this. Consider doing a life wheel for yourself. I challenge you to do that. And then when you're done, ask yourself, because most people, like I say, fill career in completely. Ask yourself these questions. Number one, what specifically do I need to be doing more of? What do I need to do more of? Number two, what do I need to do less of? Number three, what do I need to stop doing? And number four, what do I need to start doing to improve the balance of my wheel? In other words, what do I need to do more of, less of, start or stop doing to have more time with my family? Maybe it's time blocking. Maybe it's understanding that when you're at work, be at work, but when you're at home with your family. Don't keep working. Think about that. What do I need to do to make a better contribution? Am I taking a little time each day to do something nice for someone? Guys, gals, it could only be like holding the door open for somebody, complimenting someone, helping them carry their groceries out. It doesn't take a lot. What could I do to contribute better? What could I do to manage my money better? What do I need to start and stop doing? Again, those four questions. What do I need to do more of, less of, start, and stop? And it goes on. Fun. Maybe we do need to spend time having a little more fun in life. If you don't do anything else, find a really funny video on YouTube. Make yourself laugh. You'll make yourself a lot happier. Spirituality. Do I have that? Do I need that? I'm not here to tell you what religion you need to be. I'm just saying, are you spending time in spirituality, and doing things for you? And then health. That one typically goes by the wayside. I love it. A few months ago, Tom Ferry had this thing where his wife is really into fitness and has some great products for that. And we were working on 10,000 steps a day. 10,000 steps a day. So I usually wear my Fitbit 10,000 steps a day. What if you just said, I want to make sure that every day I don't go to bed unless I've done 5,000? Health. So I want you to take this away with you. This life wheel needs to be in balance. Is it always going to be perfectly in balance? No, but it can be better in balance. What can you do? You can't get better at it if you don't look at it, if you don't complete it, if you don't acknowledge where you need work. So I challenge you to take a look at your wheel of life and ask yourself, where am I lacking? What do I need to do more of, less of? What do I need to stop doing and start doing to have a more balanced life? Make it a great day, ladies.